392 DOS, back to another video. It's gonna be like a vlog. Today I shot like 2 or 3 videos, but before I get into it, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and comment button. We got some meets going on. We got a mod going on today. We're gonna get into it, so let's get to it. So first off, we got so my underglow inside of my vehicle. I misordered something wrong, so I gotta wait. So I got these LED strips, as you can see, and then I'm gonna try to put it. I already got one right here, if you can see right here. So I'm gonna try to put one in the hood, if that makes any sense, you know. So hopefully, you know, the hood is good. I drilled inside of it, as you can see. Yeah, I drilled inside of them. I just took this little heat visor off, drilled inside of it, and we're gonna get an LED in there, you know, try to match with this. I'm gonna try to hook it up to the actual, you know, system that I got in the back, but we'll go from there. So we're gonna try to finish this mod and go hit up car reviews with Foosh, and then Serious Lanes, you know, they both doing their shit today, so we're gonna try to meet up with them. So y'all stay tuned for this mod. So I finished the mod. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I finished the mod. I gotta cut off these lights. The door. This mod is gonna change a lot of things. I think so. Purple. You can see purple light in the hood scoop. I just drilled that, pulled the liner out, and you know, I'll show y'all real quick, give y'all a little walkthrough. So what I did was I drilled underneath here. As you can see, I don't know, I showed y'all earlier, but I drilled and then I zip tied it, and I just pulled the liner off right there, and here was it this one, and I just ran the wire through. As you can see, Jimmy rigged it. The wire leads over here to there. I'll fix it. I'm just waiting on that other part I ordered so I can split it, but I'm gonna run that hood scoop light off of my underglows. I just couldn't right now because that one's Bluetooth. That one's for my interior lights, but I'm gonna run that off of my interior. I don't know. I could run off my interiors, but I wanted to run off my purple. So, but today I've been in a garage, DOS garage, all day, man, all day. So it looks like it's gonna rain, but I'm still bringing it out and show y'all. We can get some meat. It's supposed to be a charity meet today. Me and car reviews with Fuse and Serious Lanes. He's supposed to be there. So this is gonna be just a little vlog of everything, you know. Videos are dropping soon. I'm gonna be editing them tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned. I'm waiting on parts. So y'all stay tuned for this meet. So we here at the little meet. You want me to let me cut it off? Let me cut it off. Nah.
But nevertheless,
but yeah, we here at the meet right now. I guess everybody got face masks on. But he bagged out. Y'all go follow Serious Lanes. Y'all go follow him on YouTube. But yeah, that boy bagged out. He's bagged. Just look at him. Like tucked. Oh my God. Can you ride around like that?
No.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah, that would hurt everything. But you see how much gap I still got?
No, I mean it's like
you see, I can still, you see, I can still go lower. So
you know what you should do? You know what would change the game? You know how to change the game?
What you got?
Let me show you real quick. Show you.
It's a look, he got the baby booties. I told him to give me those baby booties for my baby boy.
Take a look right here. If you can see, I kind of was fucking with that, but
What did you do? Why does it look like that?
I don't know. I gotta fix it, but you see, I threw a little LED in there.
Okay,
you know?
do the Night Rider. Do the Night Rider.
What?
The strobe. See, so now he look.
Strobe, right? And then I got the underglow underneath it.
So since you standing right here,
What's up?
I'm going to the shop tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. It's the only thing I would do probably would be lights. That's the only thing I would do.
That would be most definitely. That would be a most definitely thing.
Yeah. But if I'm trying to tint them though.
But nevertheless, you have to tint it. You
Right.
have to tint it again. So now you have to do another tint party.
That's what I'm saying.
You have to do it.
I mean,
so we're gonna be doing another tint
let me
party.
see.
Nevertheless.
I mean, my side markers are good though.
Yeah, your side markers are good.
So
But nevertheless,
I'm good
yes.
though. I'm good.
Because once you do, I'm not gonna make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm not gonna
Go
tell you.
ahead.
I'm not gonna tell you what else he's gonna do. To it, but make sure you subscribe. But by the time he put up that video, you probably already seen this, seen his video or seen his car with.
I saw yours, but I never like knew who you were. But I finally met you. You got Nittos on it?
Yes. So yeah, all the way around.
275s or?
275s in the front.
Yeah.
9.5s, Hellcat replicas.
Yeah.
And I just bought the brand new rims and tires for the back. Those are 20 by 10 305s.
Y'all gonna follow him on Instagram. And what year is this?
This is 16.
So I'm looking into getting these right here.
Oh wait, watch it. You about to crank it out.
Oh.
Hold on. Gotta get it for the YouTube. You about to crank it out. Come on, Armor.
Yeah, I'm not into the Mustang. You got 5-inch tips or
These are actually
stock?
homemade.
Homemade?
I just took a pipe, aluminum pipe, polished it.
No, I like
over.
it.
So it's got original tips with aluminum pipe over it.
Got you.
So,
yeah, I like
these are brand new, like literally a couple days old.
all the rims and shit.
Rims and tires.
And then, so are these like side skirts you just mount up?
Yeah, I had them for a while. I didn't want to put them on because they would stick out further than the tire. I was like, no, I'm not doing that.
No, it looks good, man.
Well,
looks good.
Since I got the 20 by 10s, I was like, right, this is time. This is the perfect opportunity for them. So.
Yeah, Bloodline red. I was gonna say this red just pops. This shit like pops. Is it ceramic coated?
No.
It looks like it. It really does. And then you said what year this was?
This is 16.
16? Okay. Oh, it's a scat. You got a scat pack. Okay. So do you have all the SRT pages, launch control?
So I got a taser for it, which gives you basically all the advantages of.
And that's one reason. That's one reason why I didn't get a scat pack is because they come with 245s all around. The front Brembos are 4 pistons. They don't have the 6 piston like the Daytona or the Stage 1 Mopar intake. I mean, you got the adaptive cruise control though.
Yes.
That's one thing I didn't get.
This car is fully loaded. Except the sunroof.
Sunroof, yeah.
But it's got everything else.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I bet it does.
Like the technology pack.
Yeah. And then you still got the hood scoop right there. I like that. And that's one thing that made me want to get a Charger, because on the 300s, it's like they're clean but they're basic. You guys have the hood scoop, you know, like I love that. I love that.
This hood actually and Hellcat hood, that looks phenomenal.
That's what I'm saying. It does. Really good.
It's just an amazingly well designed hood, in my opinion. Like if you look at the RT one, it's flat and it just doesn't
pop. Yeah. And what made you get a scat pack?
This is my first Dodge ever.
Really?
I am a GM fan. LSs and all that stuff, you know. I've had them all. So this is I had to choose between CTSV 2nd generation, Chevy SS, and I was like, I'll try Dodge. So I tried them all, and this one was by far the most fun car to drive. Out of all 3 of them,
Is the best
Even though
one.
CTSV had a lot more
Power,
horsepower,
yeah, a lot more power.
but this one is the most fun to drive.
You got any engine mods?
No.
No, just stock. I mean, you don't really don't need anything with a 6.4.
No, not really.
You don't need nothing.
It's plenty, especially like the first one, I was actually scared of it, you know.
Yes. You should have saw me yesterday. I'm like.
How are you doing today, dog?
You need to get a air intake. That's number one. Oh, it don't fit.
Dog, tell her what she needs.
She needs an air intake. She
Where's
needs
the
an
air
oil catch
intake,
can.
dog?
Air intake, oil catch right
This
here.
is dirty.
She's the oil catch. There's nothing there, though. Explain. Explain
Get
yourself,
out of
please.
here!
Slow. He said slow.
Bitch!
As fuck. Look at this orange.
What? That's where you guys go before us. I didn't eat shit.
So 392 DOS here with
Your mom's boyfriend. Your mom's boyfriend.
Here with E60 Mitchell.
E60, F30.
F30 Mitchell, you know, we had a car meet, we doing our thing.
Yeah.
F60 Mitchell, that's gonna be the day,
F30.
My bad. Oh yeah, he's definitely bagged. He's bagged. He's bagged.
Was we going to sit this right here?
No. On the ground.
Not. Oh, fuck you.
Yeah, he's bagged. He's definitely bagged.
I'm about to go talk.
And then you're not gonna do any like 5-inch tips or no?
Too expensive.
Too
rich for my blood.
On the out of 300 they have the 5-inch tips. And, I mean they're not that bad. You can
Like $200.
I mean if you get them from somebody, I got mine for 120.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah,
I think the ones I was looking at were like 250 or something.
Yeah.
If I found them used, I'd do it. But
Yeah, used. That's what I found. And then one of those Verada wheels or
no, variant.
variant. Okay, I got you. And then where you get this SRT logo at? Or no?
Bloody made it for me.
Got you. At first I thought it was an RT because I couldn't see the black. Cause
But you know, if I put an SRT on it, the SRT guys will get butt hurt.
I know. No. You got pages, right? So you got the motor, right?
Yeah.
You got Brimbos, right?
I don't got
You got the rear valence, right?
I got suspension.
Oh, you don't have the adaptive suspension?
It's on bags.
No. Still, you can still be on bags.
It didn't come with the factory.
Yeah. So the scats don't get them, right?
20 comes with
Yeah.
now.
Yep. I think I have the adaptive suspension on the Daytona. I think I do. But yeah, this is clean,
Yeah, that's the
man.
only difference between this
Go ahead and follow him. This is clean though. He's on bags, a scatty.
Yeah. Hey, Rod Knock. Hey. run me over.
Ready? Go.
Hey, you got the socks on? You got the socks on?
I'm not flexible right now. Let me get out.
Shit is lit. Live, it's live. You gonna go? You going? Okay, that boy got the coffee on. What's good? What's good? You good? Yeah. You coming through?